Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nesting Paradise. In this video, I'm going to share with you what is a method of calculating a probable score for this Icmr JRF examination. So at this time part, I think you have both your question paper and answer key with you. So with regarding to mark response sheet, in my last video, I just mentioned you an important method of downloading where you can download the response sheet for this Icmr JRF examination. So if you didn't watch that video, maybe I'll be giving that link of that video in the description below, and I'll also give us an end card. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can able to calculate the probable score based on the answer key. So first you should write all these things. Maybe you can take a A4 sheet, friends. Okay. So total number of questions you attempted. So Icmr JRF consists of two sections, section A and section B. Section A you need to attempt 50 questions, and section B you need to attempt 75 questions. So each question will be carrying 1 mark. Okay. So first thing you should take, find out how many questions you attempted. Okay. Say if you take this particular example, from section A I attempted 30 questions, and from section B I had attempted 50 questions. Next, total number of questions you attempted correctly. Okay, so from section A, out of 30 questions, I had attempted 25 questions correctly, and from section B, out of 50 questions, I had attempted 40 questions correctly. Next, total number of questions you attempted incorrectly, or the question which you attempted is wrong. Okay, you need to take a calculation. Just simple. 30 minus 25, 5 questions. 50 minus 40, 10 questions. So in section A, I had attempted 5 questions wrong, and I had attempted in section B 10 questions wrong. Now you need to calculate the mark for correct question. So section A, how many questions attempted? 25 in section E and 40 in section B. So 25 into 1, 25 marks, and 40 into 1, 40 marks. So totally you are getting 65 marks. And then you need to calculate the mark for incorrect question. So section A, I had done a wrong question. 5 questions are wrong and 10 questions are wrong. So for each question from Icmr, they will be reducing 0.25 marks. So simply 5 into 0.25 is equal to 1.25, and 10 into 0.25 it is 2.5. So in addition, you will be getting 3.7 marks, which will be reduced as an incorrect one. Okay. Now your probable score is simple. You need to minus this correct question, that is 65 minus this 3.75. Then you will be getting a mark, and this is your mark out of 125. And ultimately your percentage is 49%. That is simple. 61.25 divided by 125 into 100. If you put means, you will be getting your probable score. At the same time, you will be getting your percentage also. So this will be very much helpful. In the next video, I will be updating you how to calculate or what might be the cutoff of this Icmr JRF examination. So at this time point, please follow this particular method and calculate your probable score. So once I just upload a expected cutoff, you might know whether you are clearing this Icmr JRF or not. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.